today I'm going to speak French. I started to learn French in 2016. I've learned it for 2 years. Then I've made a long gap because I had to focus on my German. I had to take some exams in German. That's why I wanted to just focus on that language and dedicate my time just to German. I find it sad I couldn't study French during that time, so I started this year to learn it again. Since 1 month I read and listen to the things in French regularly each day, and today I want to show you how I speak in French. I believe it's not gonna be that good, but it would be good to record it to see my progress after a few months. I will try to speak freely without a script and so on, because I wanted to be an honest review, like an honest demonstration. So it might be a little bit boring to listen to, but I would really appreciate if you can listen to the recording and give some feedback. And I'm also open to any new ideas, any suggestions. Yeah, so okay, let's get started. Je m'appelle Özge. Je veux parler en français dans cette vidéo. J'ai commencé à apprendre français en 2016, mais après 2 années, je ne peux pas apprendre beaucoup parce que je dois apprendre allemand, et donc je ne peux pas apprendre français pour beaucoup d'années. Cette année, j'ai commencé encore. J'ai écouté et je lis en français un peu chaque jour. Et je veux aujourd'hui voir que bien je peux parler. En ce moment, je pense, quand je veux dire quelque chose en français, dans mon cerveau, je pense à moi en allemand. Donc, je veux dire quelque chose en allemand et non en français. C'est pour moi très difficile en ce moment j'espère que vous comprenez que je veux dire. Yeah, je pense le lire, je pense lire et écouter en français, ce n'est pas je dois faire beaucoup. Peut-être je dois parler beaucoup. Yeah. Quand je commençais à apprendre français encore cette année, euh, je pensais que j'ai oublié tout. Je ne peux pas comprendre rien. Et après quelques jours, euh, j'étais des émotions, ok. Je n'ai pas oublié tout. Euh, je dois, je dois lire un, ah, c'est difficile. Oh, euh, en ce moment, j'ai alle more sentences of si en allemand ou en anglais, ce n'est pas facile de, euh, de parler seulement en français. Phew, that was not easy, I can say that. I've tried to, so the first thing I want to say, I've tried to explain it as I'm speaking French, but I'm not sure if you could understand that. As I start to speak, most of the time I can't find the word that I want to say, and at that moment I got the word in German. So I always had the instinct to speak in German when I can't find the right word in French. And I also find it interesting because it was not like my native language is Turkish, and I didn't want to say that word in Turkish, but in German. Yeah, maybe it's somehow all the foreign languages are connected with each other, and when I can't find the word, then the other foreign language just jumps in and want to take the control over. I guess it's not enough just to read and listen to French. I mean, it's only been 1 month. Maybe it would get better after a few months, because the first days when I got back to learning French, the first days were horrible. I couldn't understand anything. I thought I've forgotten everything. I had to check the dictionary again and again. But after like a week, I had the feeling, okay, I haven't forgotten everything, but I just I just somehow have to recall it. I mean, it's better than doing nothing, but also it would be better to also get back to the to learn some grammar. But now it's a bit difficult for me because I'm working full time and I can't spend hours a day, and I'm also really tired when I get back from work, so I can just sit and study from a book. I spend like 15 minutes a day, so I find it just easier to read something or to listen to something. So I will try to do more, but I also can't promise myself. So I wonder what your experiences are. Have you also had a huge gap? Like I've had almost 6 years gap that I haven't done anything in my target language, and now I'm getting back to it. What would you suggest? What have you done to close this huge gap and recall everything you have learned? So please write in the comments. So until next time, bye.